To get a new health card in Alberta, you need to follow a series of steps. First, determine if you are eligible for Alberta healthcare coverage. Generally, this includes Canadian citizens, permanent residents, and some temporary foreign workers. Next, gather the required documents. You will need to prove your identity, Alberta residency, and citizenship or immigration status. Examples of accepted documents include a valid Canadian passport, birth certificate, or permanent resident card, as well as a utility bill or lease agreement to prove residency. Now, fill out the application for Alberta Healthcare Insurance Plan coverage form. This form can be downloaded from the Alberta government website or picked up from a registry agent office. Ensure you fill it out completely and accurately, as incomplete applications may be delayed or rejected. Once your application is complete, take it to a registry agent office along with your supporting documents. The staff will review your application and verify your documents. You may also need to have your photo taken for your health card. After submitting your application, wait for your health card to arrive in the mail. This typically takes 2 to 3 weeks, but may take longer in some cases. In the meantime, you can print a temporary confirmation of coverage from the registry agent office, which can be used to access health services. To replace a lost or stolen health card, you can log into your My Alberta Digital ID account or visit a registry agent office. You will need to provide identification and proof of Alberta residency to obtain a replacement card. It is essential to keep your health card information up to date. If you have a change of name, address, or marital status, you must notify Alberta Health and Wellness within 30 days. This ensures you continue to receive uninterrupted health coverage and do not experience any issues when accessing health services. By following these steps and providing the required documentation, you can easily obtain a new health card in Alberta. Remember to keep your health card information current and secure to maintain access to essential health services.